My name's Kara Murdock. I want to thank you guys for getting my story out there. I have been working on getting the word out for Medicaid and getting people to apply for it. I've been working on trying to get my disability approved. Unfortunately, it's been denied on appeal for the second time, and our next step is to take it to a judge. But as far as getting the word out there for Medicaid, I recently, just the other day, went to the Medicaid call center just outside of Richmond, and we met the governor, the Secretary of Health and Human Services, the Director of Medicaid, and everything, and I shared my story, and we're using my story to tell people, you know, there's new coverage, you know, it can apply to you. It's not too good to be true. It is true. Apply and see if you get accepted. Well, the first challenge was before we got Medicaid expansion. Just you had to be approved for disability before you could be accepted by Medicaid. But now with Medicaid expansion, you can apply for Medicaid without having to be approved for disability. But one of the challenges was just waiting for the legislation to pass, basically. And when it finally did pass, I was the first one in line in Prince William County to apply for Medicaid. I can now go to the doctor when I'm sick. You know, I don't have to, you know, go to the ER or worry about, you know, oh, I can't take my blood thinner, you know, because I can't afford it, which could prevent another clot. So now, you know, come January 1st, I'll be covered and I'll be able to get my medications. We've followed their instructions. We've enlisted the help of Tim Kaine's office, you know, helping us to tell us what materials to send in, what materials are needed, because we didn't know we needed doctor's letters. And they helped us out with that tremendously. So I got the 3 doctor's letters listing all these conditions that I have and, you know, how they affect my daily life and everything. And we went to SSA. And now what I have to do is I have to request a hearing no later than 60 days from the date that I received the denial notice to the Office of Disability Adjudication and Review for a judge to then look at it. Because we've pulled out everything we have, and it seems like they're not looking at what we're sending them. I just want to say, if you have even the slightest doubt that you may be eligible, or the slightest inclination that you may be eligible for Medicaid, apply. Please apply, because there's 400,000 people that are eligible for Medicaid, 182,000 that have actually applied. So there's a huge percentage of people that have not applied yet that could possibly not know that they're eligible for Medicaid.